Hello children, I am a pilot. Nice to meet you. Look children, this is my aeroplane. I fly an aeroplane in the sky. I help people travel safely. Now our sweet teacher will explain more about me.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Children, look, this is a pilot. A pilot flies an aeroplane. He helps people travel safely. A pilot can fly big aeroplanes in the sky. Children, let's say thank you, pilot. Good job, children. See you in the next session.
Hello, welcome to the story, Two Silly Goats.
There lived two silly goats in a village. There was a narrow bridge over a river in the village. One day, the goats wanted to cross the bridge. One silly goat was on one side. The other one was on the other side. One of them said, "I shall go first. Allow me to pass." The other goat said, "No, I must cross first. You move aside." Neither of them yielded. At last, they came to the middle of the bridge. They began to fight terribly. As they were fighting, both of them fell into the river and were drowned.
Moral of the story:
Love your neighbors.
Hello children, I am a cobbler. I fix shoes for everyone.
These broken shoes need my help. I will fix these shoes. Do not worry, little shoe. I will mend you. I take care of shoes every day. Now the shoe is strong. Children, now your teacher will explain more about me.
Hello children, this is a cobbler. He helps us by mending our shoes.
A cobbler repairs our shoes. He helps us walk comfortably. His work is very important.
Children, now you tell me, is the cobbler important in our life?
Yes, he is important. Let us praise his work, children. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.
Hello, children. I am the letter J. Today you will learn the letter J and the objects that start with me. This is a jar. J for jar. This is jam. J for jam. This is a jeep. J for jeep. This is a jacket. J for jacket. This is a jaguar. J for jaguar. Hi, children. Now your teacher will explain more about me.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter and this letter is J. Children, this is a jar. Jar starts with the letter J. We use a jar to store things. This is jam. Jam is sweet and tasty. Jam also begins with J. Children, look at the jeep. A jeep helps people travel on roads. Jeep starts with the letter J. This is a jacket. A jacket keeps us warm in winter. Jacket begins with the letter J. Children, this is a jaguar. A jaguar lives in the forest. Jaguar starts with the letter J. Very good, children. Today we learned the letter J. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.
Hello children, do you know who I am? I am a soldier. I work hard so people can live in peace. This is my important job. My duty is to protect everyone. I guard my country day and night. I train every day. I learn to be strong and brave. Now your teacher will explain you more about me.
Children, look at the page. This is a soldier. A soldier is a brave community helper. Because of soldiers, we can live, study, and play peacefully. A soldier protects our country and keeps us safe every day. Let us say thank you to our soldiers for keeping us safe. Bye-bye, children. See you in the next session.
Hello, children. I am a baker. I work in a bakery every day. I make dough with care and clean hands. I work hard to make tasty food for everyone.
I bake bread in a hot oven. I wait patiently until the food is ready. Look, children, the bread is fresh and hot. I prepare delicious food for you to eat.
Children, now your teacher will explain more about me.
Hello children, welcome back to a new session. Today we are going to learn about a community helper, the baker. Children, look at the page. This is baker. A baker is a community helper who makes food for us every day. Bakers work in bakeries and prepare many kinds of food like fresh bread, buns and cakes so people can eat them during the day. We should say thank you to baker because their hard work we celebrate birthdays, party and we can eat yummy pastries. We see bakers in bakeries, shops and sometimes in big kitchens where food is made for many people. I hope children you now know the baker and understand how important their role is in our life. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.
Red and orange, green and yellow, blue and violet and indigo. All the colors that we know live up in the rainbow. Red and orange, green and yellow, blue and violet and indigo.
Hello, children. I am a fireman. I help people when there is fire. My duty is to protect everyone from dangerous fire accident. I use water to put out fire. I work hard so people can live in peace. This is my important job. Now you, teacher, will explain more about me and my work.
Hello children, welcome back to a new session. Today we are going to learn about a community helper, the fireman. Children, look at the page. This is the fireman. Firemen wear special clothes and helmets to stay safe while working in fire. They use water hoses and tools to stop fire and save people. Firemen help not only people but also animals during emergencies. Because of firemen, our homes and buildings are safer. We should respect firemen and thank them for their brave good work, children. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.